Where we love is home. Home that our feet may leave, but not our hearts. This is home. Welcome back to the channel, and this is the best 4-bedroom design you'll see online today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps us create more videos like this. Sitting on a flat topography plot of 33.8 meters by 21 meters. The plan of this 2-story residence is unpretentious and sits on 26.3 meters by 15 meters on ground floor, with the introduction of several cantilevers on the first floor, giving ample room for outdoor living. This luxury 4-bedroom design boasts of mesmerizing views looking into an exclusive swimming pool, 6-lane carports at the front, and series of outdoor sitting spaces. This gives this residence a seamless integration between indoor spaces and its natural immediate environment. The roof is a simple combination of parapet walls and mono-pitch aluminum roofing sheets draining into several roof gutters. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? Say hello to Rocky the dog on your way in. The ante-room located at the center of the layout is the first point of contact on entry. Serving as a buffer between the daily activities of the occupants in the living room, dining and kitchen to the left of it, and the more public but less used guest toilet, guest bedroom and maid's room to the right. The ante-room adds an extra layer of privacy to this edifice. The walls of the guest toilet are fully covered with turkey lightning grey tiles. The toilet, though small, is equipped with a WC and wash basin, with a mirror above and storage spaces for necessary toiletries. Let's head into the guest bedroom, shall we? In this inviting guest bedroom, the bed's U-shaped cushion leather headboard adds a touch of comfort, complemented by a checkered ottoman at its foot, while double-side tables host a warm table lamp on one side and a stylish drop light above the other. Bathed in soft natural light through Venetian blinds, the bed sits in front of one of 2 perpendicular windows, allowing gentle cross-ventilation over solid wooden floors, with a sizable mirrored wardrobe positioned opposite, completing the space in quiet elegance. The guest bathroom walls are covered in 2 separate materials: turkey lightning grey tiles, which define the bathroom space and the toilet's hidden water chamber, and jazz white tiles, completing the composition. The floor is covered uniformly with Lauren Platinum light grey tiles, giving the bathroom a neutral scheme based off the material usage alone. To access the maid's room, one would have to go through the shared kitchen porch at the back, keeping interference with the daily lives of the homeowners to a minimum. In this chic and compact maid's bedroom, the queen-size bed with its attached headboard sits gracefully in front of the single window, which, softened by Venetian blinds, provides both ventilation and a gentle touch of natural light, further enhanced by the spotlights above. The room is grounded by solid wooden floors, complemented by a single-side table, while a sizable wardrobe with an attached mirror completes the thoughtful, minimalist design. The maid's bathroom is spacious and adequately equipped with a WC, wash basin and shower cubicle. The walls are covered in jazz white tiles, with the floor having the same Lauren Platinum light grey tile as the guest bathroom. Now we come back to the main living space and head towards the living room. Upon entry, you are immediately greeted by the luxuriously designed double-volume living area. The living room enjoys a large floor-to-ceiling window opening, coupled with distinctive fluted panels on either side of the Calacata white marble TV wall panel, giving the living hall a grand impression of spatial quality. This is a plus point for those who enjoy having natural ventilation while watching the TV or reading while using the study tucked at the corner of the living room. However, if you want a more enclosed ambience, there is also ample artificial lighting to that effect. I'm sure by now you have noticed the wall paneling, which are called wainscoting design, as well as the use of natural materials with contemporary elements throughout the interior design so far. This design concept is quite popular for its ability to achieve an elegant and timeless look and is called the modern English design. It evokes a sense of timelessness, luxury, and elegance. The tastefully designed dry kitchen space is equipped with storage cabinets, a wash basin, and a large breakfast counter. This kitchen design is the perfect spot for quick breakfast or even cooking preparations while watching the TV or looking after the kids. My favorite feature to this design is this dining area that opens to an outdoor sit-out and the swimming pool. The unique floor plan of the design makes the dining area open out from the building and feel as though it is part of the surrounding landscape. This allows the owner to enjoy a full view of the outdoor sitting area and enjoy the benefit of the calming effect of the pool. This gives the dining area an impression of dining among nature under an indoor gazebo. The large wet kitchen tucked privately at the rear would normally end up being a dead corner with an unsightly view of the back lane of most properties. However, this project is designed with emphasis of landscape surrounding the property, so even the rear of the property opens up to a spacious back lane which houses the pool, making the owner's cooking experience feel a lot livelier and more zestful. Unlike the dry kitchen, the wet kitchen is to be utilized for heavy kitchen cooking, where smoke or smell of the food can interfere with daily living. As you can see, it's fully equipped with cabinets, a gas cooker with an oven beneath, microwave, and a central countertop, amongst other things. Let us know your thoughts in the comments about this kitchen. A short corridor leads us to the stairs going to the first floor, which houses the family room, games room, and a total of 3 bedrooms, including the master's suite. On getting to the first floor, we land on a central hallway, which connects all the spaces on the floor in all directions. Let's start with the family room. Approaching the spacious family room, the eye catches the tastefully selected curved sofa that contrasts the linear flow of the TV cabinet design. The color combination of the TV cabinet exudes touches of modern contemporary design. One of the key features I love about this space is the large window opening to the front-facing balcony, allowing for ample natural light and adequate ventilation. Now leaving the family room, we now head to the games room. The games room, featuring 2 plush chairs strategically positioned for optimal relaxation, a sleek pool table inviting spirited competition, and a balcony that opens up to a shimmering pool below, offers a blend of comfort and leisure with a view. We hope you have hit the like button and subscribed with the notification bell on, as this helps us have better visibility and make more videos like this. Next, we take a look at the second bedroom. Upon entering, you're greeted by a minimalist TV console with a black marble top. The bed, framed by gold-highlighted wall panels and flanked by windows with soft cloth blinds, sits before a checkered ottoman with wainscoting details surrounding the space. Perpendicular to the bed, 2 more windows are set between graceful wainscoting, a design echoed on the wall opposite, which leads to a compact yet functional walk-in wardrobe next to the door to the bathroom. The chic toilet space features misty rainstone tiles enveloping the walls, complemented by Lauren Platinum light grey floor tiles. A modern shower cubicle is equipped with built-in shelves for shower gels and soaps, and above the wash basin, a circular mirror adds a touch of contemporary elegance, while a sleek wall-hung aluminum shower holder is neatly positioned behind the WC. This takes us into the third bedroom. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the project in the comments and tell us what your favorite part is so far. In a space where modern elegance meets timeless warmth, the bedroom boasts PVC fluted wall panels that frame the bed with understated luxury, flanked by twin windows that invite the soft, natural light to dance upon the solid hardwood floor. The bed with its built-in headboard is perfectly accompanied by bedside tables, while the TV wall, richly paneled in wood, is complemented by a sleek wooden console, grounding the room in a cozy yet sophisticated harmony. In a dance of muted tones and modern elegance, the bathroom features jazz white wall tiles and Lauren Platinum light grey floors. With a sleek wash basin on a ceramic countertop, a flush toilet, and a pristine shower cubicle subtly enclosed by a glass partition. The bathroom exudes a serene elegance. Lastly, let's head into the most luxurious of the bedrooms, the master's bedroom. Fair warning, you may fall in love. In a masterfully curated sanctuary, white gloss fluted panels rise majestically behind the bed, flanked by elegant mirrors and wider panels, while a dressing table with gold accents, set against a flowery wallpaper illuminated by soft rope lights, echoes the refined opulence of the space. As natural light cascades through a large window, inviting serenity into the room, alongside a door that leads to a private balcony retreat. Green potted plants breathe life into the corners, and a sleek TV wall adorned with a dark wooden shelf and a minimalist console balances the design. This is contemporary luxury at its finest. The master enjoys a long stretch of closet capacity with the walk-in wardrobe space, which acts as a buffer between the bedroom and the master's bathroom. In a symphony of understated luxury, the bathroom is adorned with yellow Turkish tiles that elegantly frame the floor-mounted toilet, flanked by shelves and cabinets, while the window takes center stage behind the WC. The double wash basin, perched on a minimalist console with a dark wooden top, is mirrored by a large rectangular reflection, with Lauren light grey tiles grounding the walls and floors, and a raised wooden platform elevating the bathtub, completed by sleek black metal fixtures throughout. We've come to the end of the video. Let us know in the comments your favorite part and why. Also, do you like the new format? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay in the loop of more amazing content. Don't worry, we won't be gone for long this time. See you in the next one.